Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel Beauty Intakes. And if you're new, hi, I'm Divya, and in today's video, as the title must have already told you, I will be sharing with you all my honest and detailed opinion on the Blue Heaven Sapphire Translucent Loose Setting Powder. And now let's get started. First, let's begin with the price point and the quantity that you get and also the shelf life. The price of this product is 125 rupees, in which you get 20 grams of product, which is quite decent and also very affordable, and also you get a 3 years of shelf life. As far as shade range is considered, it is quite limited and you get only 3 shades for this powder. Let's first talk about the packaging. So you get a cardboard box outside, on the back of which you get all the details like ingredients, the claim of the product, and also the expiry date and the shade name, and also the MRP. Everything is listed here at the back of this cardboard box, and inside you get a tub like this. And yeah, decent packaging, nothing much to talk about. And also at the back you get all the details like the address of the brand, the ingredient list, the MRP, and everything is listed. All of it is listed at the back of this tub as well, at the bottom of this tub as well. A decent packaging. And also when you open this, there's one con with this packaging, that you get a lot of product accumulated here once you take off the separating film. Like, this separating film is like a plastic, so that when you buy the new product you don't get anything at the top, but once you remove it, then it's a mess to handle this packaging. But anyways, it's so cheap that you cannot expect much from the packaging. And also you get a powder puff along with this, which is quite soft and decent to work with. Now let's dive into the demo and then we'll chat further about this product.
So I've taken a little bit of powder on the cap and now I'm using it on the targeted areas like under your eyes and also on the nasolabial folds or laugh lines, whatever you call it. Now concealer usually मेरे केस में इतना ज़्यादा crease नहीं करता है, but nasolabial folds या फिर laugh lines, oh my god, my foundation is bound to crease there. But this powder really helps in preventing those creases. It does really help in setting your makeup really nicely, and usually I don't use that much of powder, but for the sake of the review I have used that much, and you can see how flawless the powdered side looks. And even after using that much, this powder does not look heavy or cakey or powdery. It just blends into your skin so nicely, and also it is quite finely milled. And yeah, it's a really good powder, you should try. And you can see the quantity that I have used, and even after that it just blends into your skin so beautifully. And my shade here is 03 Natural, which has a slight orange tint, which does help in cancelling out the pigmentation as well. So yeah, you can also try this shade if you are someone who is of my skin tone. Now I look a little bit fair as compared to what I am on the camera, but yeah, you can use 03 Natural if you have medium skin tone. It has slight bit of orangeness to it, I'm telling you already, but it's a good one. You can see how beautifully it blended into my skin.
Now let's talk about pigmentation of this product. Now pigmentation of this product completely depend upon the quantity you're using and also the kind of brush that you're using. If you're using a very fluffy brush with a light hand, you won't get that much of pigmentation. But if you're using a wet sponge or if you're using a dense brush like me, then for sure this will add a kind of like a little bit of pigmentation to your face. It's not that much, but it's still there, it will be visible, but once you blend it nicely it won't be there for a really long period of time. And now let's talk about longevity. Now longevity of a foundation or a powder now let's talk about longevity. Now longevity completely depends upon the kind of weather you are wearing in and also the type of skin that you have. But for me personally, I have a combination skin type and I live in MP, so we don't get that extreme temperatures here as in North India or in South India. So in winters this can dry your skin slightly, because in winters usually we have dry skin. But if you have normal skin type, like if you have combination skin type, if you have oily skin type, this will surely not dry up your skin. And as far as longevity is considered, I mean the mattifying effect of this powder is considered, this will keep your face matte for at least 5 hours. Post that, it will completely depend upon the environment and everything, but on me personally it did stay quite nicely even in summer months for 5 hours. And post that you will have to do a slight bit of touch up, which in my opinion is completely okay, because obviously this is quite affordable, so you cannot expect that long hours of performance. But yeah, it's a very, very decent powder, definitely worth trying and one worth investing in. And there's only one con in this product, and which is fragrance. Like, the fragrance of this is too much. Like a typical Blue Heaven product, this has a lot of fragrance, and if you are sensitive, if you have sensitive skin, or if you are sensitive to fragrances, then you should not try this product. I'm sorry for you, but yeah. And even for someone who is not very sensitive to fragrances in their skincare or makeup, for me personally also, this much fragrance was not a pleasant experience. Definitely it fades away after application, but it is too much. So make sure that this is one con that you will have to wear after using this product, or after buying this product, or while using this product. So yeah, that's all I have to share about this. So I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, then you know the drill. Like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if there's anything that if you want to ask about this product, you can ask that in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer all your comments. And yeah, if there's anything I will feel like adding, then I'll add it in the description box below, because many a time it happens that while editing I get a lot of thoughts and I just cannot film it at that point. So I write that in the description box below. So yeah, please give it a read, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye, take care.